Mr. Chair, I move to approve House Bill 1422, subject to style and subject to the submission to the committee of the needed documentary requirements.
Second, Mr. Chair.
Second.
There is a motion by the Honorable Olivares that we approve House Bill number 1422, subject to the submission of the requirements by this committee and the Department of Education, including the feasibility study and the site ownership. Duly seconded by the Honorable Gatchalian. Is there any objection? Chair, hearing none, same is approved. May we also acknowledge the presence of the Deputy Minority Leader, the Honorable Ton Chitino.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, Honorable Olivares.
Yeah, I move to approve the committee report, subject to the submission to the committee of the documentary requirements needed, Mr. Chair.
Second, Mr. Chair.
There is a motion by the Honorable Olivares, duly sent by our Vice Chairperson, the Honorable Arnie Roque, that we approve the committee report on the condition that the feasibility study and the ownership of the site is submitted to the DepEd and this committee. Is there any objection? Chair, hearing none, same is approved. Thank you to the members. I think Dr. Ibanez really is telling us they need a school in that particular barangay. Salamat, Dr. Ibanez.